Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for a men's cologne. This is a summer cologne that I wanted to go over with you guys. It is from AliExpress. Let me bring it up real quick. So this one is the COLOGNE. I think it's called COLOGNE Island Dreams. I paid $16.88. So COLOGNE Island Dreams. It's a citrus. And when you're shopping on AliExpress, make sure it has that certified original under here, not just written up here. Sometimes in like on the main page, it'll say like certified original. No, that's bullshit. You have to check under here, under the service commitment. It'll say certified original. If it says that, it's like legit, or they can get in trouble with the company or whatever. But the top notes are bergamot and ginger. Heart notes are grapefruit accord. Base notes are ambroxan and musk. The reviews on this one are like really, really good. Let me look them up on Amazon. But here's the box. Island Dream. And there's a couple different island ones, but this had the best reviews. So it's $46.50 on Amazon. What did I pay for it? It's more expensive now. I paid $16.88 versus $46. You do the math. I mean, save your coin. So, but it says, a dreamy and uplifting fragrance that captures the essence of tropical serenity and timeless elegance. Opens with vibrant fruity accords leading into a delicate floral heart enriched with soft woody undertones. Long-lasting extrait de parfum concentration ensures a rich and enduring scent trail throughout the day. A versatile unisex fragrance. That's bullshit. This is going to lean more masculine. Okay, I'll read you one of the reviews. Stop it. Amazing. Fills the room. Longevity is amazing. I get around 8 to 10 hours on skin, which is a long time. I own both Louis Vuitton Symphony and Dreams, and they smell 85% similar. Only take on it is the grapefruit on Dreams is a lot stronger. So I guess it's supposed to be like a Louis Vuitton scent. So let's see. Why does it smell like, I don't know. I'm not really upset about the box. I don't have room to save them. So there's the bottle. I love the Middle Eastern ones. It's like texturized. They do a lot for their bottles. Some of them are, it's that box that reeks. This better be legit. I think it is. Ooh, that's good. So it smells like a man in a fairy tale. You know, like Eric and the Little Mermaid? I'm seeing that. Ooh, wow, that is good. That's strong, but that's legit. That's got to be legitimate. And I wouldn't say this is definitely for summer, not so much spring or any other season, because I don't get the aquatic, or maybe I do. I get a little bit of an aquatic. That is good. You guys need to look into this. I do smell that grapefruit, but the grapefruit and the musk is what I'm smelling. It's not. It is aquatic, but it's not aquatic. It's not like a, what's that word I want to say? I can never think. I'm such a bonehead. It's good. It's really, really good. And even this is really heavy. Sometimes the lids are really cheap. Wow, that's really good. But yeah, check this one out if you want to save your coin. That'll look real nice up on your, the Louis Vuitton. So I like it. Yeah, you guys, try this out. Island Dreams by COLOGNE. It's very good. Yeah, let me read one of the other reviews by men so you can... LV Symphony dupe. Smells good and is similar to my LV Symphony perfume. Fragrance doesn't last as long as my LV, but for the price point, it's good. Says, this is a great perfume if you live somewhere hot and humid as we go into the summer. Super refreshing, and thanks to the high oil concentration, it actually lasts. If you like fresh, summery fragrances, I think this is a safe blind buy. Yeah, it's like fresh. It leans, I wouldn't say it's aquatic, but it's almost. Oh, you do? Yeah, I really like it. But be careful if it has a higher oil concentrate because it can stain your clothes. Be very careful when you do that. I've had that happen to me with some of mine. But yeah, the bottle's beautiful too. I really like it. So yeah, I think it smells great. It's a masculine fruity. I hate to say fruity because to me, as a gourmand lover, that is not fruity. That is a freshie. This is a freshie. I don't consider it a fruity. You might when you smell it, but I consider this really fresh and really great for hot days. Yes, it is. Codlage. Yes. Citrus. Yeah. So it's citrus fresh. It has a tiny bit of aquatic, just enough. There's something in there that maybe it's the musk put with it that makes it smell tropical. I wouldn't even say tropical. I don't know. It smells amazing though. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it smells really good. And it says unisex. That is not unisex. I would not wear that. That would not smell good on me. That is very masculine. Yeah. I love that smell. But it is definitely not feminine at all. That is my haul for you men, for my gents. Yeah, if you don't already have it, if you want me to link it in this video, maybe I can because I'm only doing this one in this video. I'll go ahead and link it for you from the seller I bought it from. If I were you, I'd save my coin and not go ahead and spend even $40 when you can pay $18. That's up to you. And it comes in the same amount of time that it does on Amazon. It's like the same seller, but like I don't understand why it's cheaper, but it is. So it's called Island Dreams by Codlage. Here's this mic. I know it's backwards, but Codlage is really, really good. Arabic. Okay, so that's it for that one, guys. If you want to smell great for the summer, I would say that would even be good for going to the gym because it's got that fresh citrus vibe to it. I would say gym every day, anywhere during the summer. Don't wear that any other season though. Don't try to wear that in cold weather. It's not going to do anything for you. Cold weather needs to be more of the alcoholic, boozy, spicy. This is fresh. You need the fresh. But anyway, if you don't have to take my word for it, but you're here watching this video, so why not try it? It's less than 20 bucks. Might just surprise yourself. But anyway, you'll thank me later. I love you guys. And make sure you hype this video. Give it a thumbs up. And put down below, if you could travel somewhere, anywhere in the world, where would it be? Love y'all. Bye.